Hi and welcome to the fourth video in our free 10-part series on fitness for the over 50s. I'm Dr. Peter Murray, the founder of ElderFit Secrets, and I will be guiding you on this journey. Are you tired of feeling tired? The constant drain, the midday slump, it makes staying active feel impossible. The irony is the best way to create energy is to expend it. Today we're talking about how to use movement to fight fatigue and boost your endurance, not just for exercise, but for life. Fatigue is often a symptom of an inefficient system. When you are sedentary, your body's energy-producing components, your cardiovascular system, and your cellular powerhouses, the mitochondria, become sluggish. Your heart has to work harder to pump blood, and your muscle cells aren't generating energy effectively. Starting with heavy, long workouts only depletes your already low reserves, leading to burnout. We need sustainable, short bursts of movement to signal the body to create more energy infrastructure. The answer is consistent, moderate, low-impact cardio. Think of a brisk 20-minute walk outdoors, or an at-home routine using rhythmic movements like step touches or arm circles. The key is the Goldilocks zone, elevating your heart rate enough to feel mildly challenged, where you can still hold a conversation, but are slightly breathless, for a sustainable duration. This strengthens your heart, improves blood flow to the brain, and triggers the growth of new mitochondria, literally boosting your cellular energy production over time. Consistency and timing are crucial. A short, brisk walk mid-morning can eliminate the need for that afternoon coffee. Your goal is to make it a non-negotiable part of your day. Remember, the cumulative effect of frequent light activity throughout the day, not one intense session, is the true secret to overcoming chronic fatigue after 50. If you're looking for simple, guided 10 or 20-minute routines that boost your energy without exhausting you, you'll find them on elderfitsecrets.com. We have entire low-impact cardio schedules designed to progressively build your endurance without stressing your joints. You can access our Fitspiration library and take 5 workouts for free through our first tier. Click the link below or go to elderfitsecrets.com to start your free access to a more comfortable life. Be sure to like and subscribe to get more videos in our free 10-part series on fitness over 50. Our next video is a big one: how to lose belly fat. See you there.